USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we are all in same page on the ongoing civil justice sign off. And to be on the same page one more time, I am Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and signing of civil justice for myself. And this is for the United States of America with fatal negligent provided robocall poverty mandate for me. Okay, and I am signing off the civil justice according to the Holy Bible guidelines only. So for I will start reading the civil justice sign off. For I, Vedapriya Prose, proved scandal of absolute monarchs as of February 2021. Any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account to I am that I am Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide can help me. The scandal faces of Republica Europe nations worldwide as in Republica Statue of Liberty in USA nation never educated USA Republican government can never enforce poverty and USA can never create robocall poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, a true civil doctor and a true civil supreme judge, and it is a fatal negligence of Statue of Liberty in USA. So either USA government should say knows what is Statue of Liberty, or either USA government should say don't know what is Statue of Liberty. So, what is more civil justice as of today is I, Vedapriya, Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, own the text for ongoing civil justice sign off closure. Statue of closure, okay? So Statue of Liberty with fatal negligence failed to educate USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate and by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and then Republican government leader Mitch McConnell and President Trump and the Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 enforced poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Prose abruptly on October 2018, and Republican government of United States of America took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly and enforced finance debt of $10,000, $10,210.38 since October 2018, October 2019, and October 2020, and as of today, February 5th of 2021 and beyond. It is a crime for Republica Statue of Liberty for never educated USA should never provide enforced poverty to I Vedapriya Prose. So civil justices, I Vedapriya Prose want Citibank CEO to pay off my debt $10,210.38 in full and sign off, and Citibank CEO must also sign off tax-free $4,500 direct deposit to my bank account. And Republica Statue of Liberty in USA per state times all 50 state statues or anywhere in any continent to sign off direct deposit tax-free $4,500 to my bank account, and France leader and co-prince of Andorra, Spain, and Republica government of USA will provide needful help accordingly to be in the same page. And for I Vedapriya Prose displayed the scandal of absolute monarchs. I Vedapriya Prose for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India after my name Vedapriya is a civil justice served. And I Vedapriya Prose to become Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I Vedapriya to become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations now is civil justice served. And I Vedapriya to become Supreme Chief Family Law Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I Vedapriya Prose to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director, Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, DCF, DHS, DOJ, IRS, agriculture, imports, exports, fair trade processing, military processing, etc. in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, must get dual citizenship of USA and India, and now is civil justice served. And I hope we are all on the same page. So thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye now.